Hey guys, so we're gonna be building another bench today. I've got all most of the material pre-cut, so we finished that bench up a while ago. It's all basically 3/16 3-inch tubing and 3/16 sheet metal, 1/4-inch angle iron on the edge. Weighs like, I don't know, probably a ton, maybe 3/4 of a ton, something like that. It's pretty heavy. So today we're going to be building a welding bench. I got some 6-inch channel and some more 3-inch. Well, this is quarter wall tubing. I'm going to be using quarter wall for the end legs and then 1/8 inch wall for the inside legs. It's going to be 20 feet long with C-channel pointing upwards for cutting, and then we're going to mount a chop saw on one end and a welding bench on the end of it. So here we go. Okay guys, so we got the legs welded on, the 2 channels, got them standing up, some temporary braces in there to hold them straight so they don't fall on me. Then basically got to cut a bunch of C-channel and weld them all in between. Okay, so this is the bench mostly complete. I've been working with it for a while, I just haven't bothered finishing it off. But there's gonna be cross members every 1 foot. Right now they're every 2 feet. I've put one more in here, but I gotta put in another cross member in between each one of these, but otherwise it's done. You got your 45s on the legs. This is all 3-inch tubing. And then cross members, so we put our long pieces of steel stock underneath as a steel rack, and then on top we do all of our cutting, and well, it's kind of a workbench for this bay as well, as you can see.